I want to introduce you in today's video, especially for women after 50, Flaxseed tea. There's many health benefits that you can use daily and really can support your health in the safe and natural way. Now let me give you first the recipe. Because I want you to have this immediately. Take 500 milliliters of hot water, not fully boiling, just hot. Add 2 tablespoons of whole flaxseed. Do not grind them for this preparation. Whole seed are what creates the gel. Let it water simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes slightly thicker and silky in the texture. That gel is exactly what you want. It is soluble fiber doing its work. Strain the tea, let it cool for 10 minutes. You can add a few drops of lemon juice. If you have blood sugar issues, a very small amount of honey is fine. Drink 1 cup per day, preferably in the morning or between the meals. And use this my simple protocol for 15 days to 15 days in a row. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you information who cannot use this natural tea. But I'm going to give you my experience working with the patients when I recommend it, and especially why I recommended the flaxseed tea. My first recommendation and health benefits of using flaxseed tea is going to be digestion and constipation. And the first benefit is digestive support, and this is where flaxseed is mostly consistently effective. Flaxseed contains 2 types of fiber: soluble fiber, which form a gel in the gut and slows digestion, and insoluble fiber, which add bulk to the stool and promotes regular elimination. Together, these 2 types of fiber create an ideal environment for healthy gut function. The soluble fiber coats the intestinal lining, protecting from irritation, and the insoluble fiber moves waste through the colon more effectively. And for women over 50 who experience chronic constipation, bloating, gas, or heavy feeling after meals, this combination may be extremely helpful. One of the most serious conditions in the modern world for women after 50 is going to be cardiovascular health diseases, high blood pressure, risk of stroke, heart attack, or similar kind of condition. If you use regularly flaxseed tea, it really can help you preventing blood clots, preventing also high blood pressure and similar kind of condition. Of course, this is not the cure for those kind of conditions, but really in a small way, really can help you each day. Of course, a third is going to be blood sugar and the appetite benefits. The soluble fiber in flaxseed slows the absorption of glucose from the food into the bloodstream. That means fewer sharp blood sugar spikes after meal, fewer intense sugar cravings in the afternoon, and more stable energy through the day. And some research suggested that flaxseed may support blood sugar control and help improve insulin sensitivity. My dear viewers, if you feel that your appetite is difficult to control, that you constantly crave sugar, or that your energy crashes in the afternoon, this is the mechanism you need to address. Not calories, not only willpower, blood sugar stability. One of the unbelievably important benefits of using flaxseed tea, my dear woman, is going to be balance of your hormones. You already know after 50 you'll lose almost every aspect of your estrogen and progesterone in your daily life. And this is also one of the health benefits that is scientifically proven. Flaxseed is one of the richest plants in the source of lignans. Lignans are phytoestrogens, plant compound with a mild estrogen-like effect in the body. They do not replace estrogen, they are not hormone therapy, and they are not miracle cure for menopause, but they may support estrogen metabolism and help the body processes hormones more efficiently. This is why flaxseed is often discussed in relationships to hot flashes, night sweats, hormonal balances, and the breast health. They are connected with the liver, your gut, thyroid, sleep, stress, blood sugar, minerals, and inflammation, and your hormones are that, of course. Hormones never work alone, and this is why the serious menopausal protocol must look at the whole body. Fifth recommendation for you, my dear viewers, and I see it every day with my patients for the last 26 years in my protocols when I recommend the Flaxseed tea. It really can help you in their own way with your joint health, especially if you have joint inflammation, if you have stiffness, you have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, similar kind of joint problems. Flaxseed tea really can help you. The omega-3 facet in the flaxseed may help support healthier inflammatory response. This is important because chronic low-grade inflammation often shows up in the morning stiffness, joint discomfort, skin dryness, irritation, slow recovery, and general physical heaviness. For the skin, the same omega-3 and antioxidant compound may support skin hydration, elasticity, and healthier inflammatory balance. A cooled infusion flaxseed can also be used externally as a gentle compresses for dry and irritated skin. And this is so crucially easy to understand. Of course, my dear, this is just a couple of information on scientifically proven health benefits of the flaxseed tea. Who cannot use flaxseed tea regularly? Before you begin this protocol, you need to give your full clinical picture, because flaxseed is not for everyone and used incorrectly, it can cause problem. Do not use this tea without professional guidance if you have intestinal obstruction, severe constipation with the pain, active inflammatory bowel disease in the flare-up, or any serious digestive disease. Use caution and consult your doctor if you are taking blood thinner, diabetes medication, hormonal therapy, thyroid medication, cholesterol medication, or any medication that requires precise absorption in time. Because flaxseed fiber can interfere with how quickly some medication is absorbed. If you have hormone-sensitive conditions like breast cancer, uterine cancer, ovarian disease, endometriosis, or uterine fibroids, do not use flaxseed as a hormonal support tool without medical supervision. And if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, speak with your qualified professional first. And then I recommend almost any of my videos. Most of them, of course, natural remedies. That does not mean that you can watch my video right now and you can become doctor flaxseed and you think you can cure all of those diseases that I tell today. Of course, not, my dear viewers. Those natural remedies must be put in protocols as just one part of many aspects that really can help you. Also, my dear viewers, flaxseed tea is not miracle, it's a clinical tool. Used correctly with the right protocols for the right person, it is one of the most versatile and wild research plant I use in my practice. But it works best when it's part of complete system, not used in isolation. The full Malio Lab Flaxseed protocol you can see in my office, and if you want protocol built specifically around your symptoms, your blood work, and your medical history, not general advice from the internet, but clinical assessment, you can contact my clinic directly. All the details in the description below. Of course, if you want to learn a lot more about nutrition, natural remedies, I am author of 4 books. You have thousands pages specially designed for you. This is my recommendation for today's video. If you want my help, of course, call my office. And if you want to learn a lot more, what are the health benefits of daily using rosemary tea, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye-bye.